Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back to one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable autoplay next video on your Amazon Prime Video app in your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to update the app from the Google Play Store. Okay, after updating, just open the app, and here in the top right side corner you can get the contact icon. Just tap on it. From here you can get one settings gear icon in the top right side of your screen. Just tap on it. Okay, and here you can get the option autoplay. If you want to disable the autoplay video on your app, just you need to disable this option. That's it. So from here guys, you can easily able to disable the autoplay video on Amazon Prime Video. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.